Things first. I'm gonna try to make a schedule for this. So, what do I want to prep now? What do I want to prep later? Oh my god, bro. Now the sound works. Ah, fuck. Okay, well, just like 5 minutes. Okay, anyways, I was saying that this is gonna be my first. I'm gonna say this is my first, or maybe second. Okay, second day. Second day, I did do some tiny bit of prep on Wednesday, but yeah. So today I want to finish this multi-cache problem. Tomorrow morning, I could probably only do one. I'll try to implement that infinite game. Where's it connect K? Cache, string difference, supermarket Q. I think the marketplace one seems like a pretty hard problem. I'm gonna put this on here. That's enough prep for now. I mean, enough planning for now. I'll do more planning tomorrow. Right now, I think I'm gonna start doing this. So, I'll probably just put the follow-ups here as well then, because I'm the only one that's gonna use this anyways. So, I also need to prep. I think a big issue of mine is actually communication. I need to practice talking aloud, not stuttering and stuff. I need to rewatch these damn videos. I think that's one of my issues at work too. Well, it is what it is. Where the fuck is my cache? Here's my follow-up question. Let me put this here. Why shouldn't I put the follow-ups up here? So, assume there are no two caches with different iteration schemes. Ready to block boxes, implement the multi-cache such that it uses both caches and provides the following functionalities. I guess the one question I would ask, what is by using both caches? You mean storing caches? I guess what I would do, it's also a key. Key's not present in the cache. The key value pair can be fetched from the server. The server Oh, I need to block using C++. I mean, I guess with the function question, would the function have to be returned? To interview prep, you are an interviewer for an instrument. Actually, doesn't really matter. Question prompt and possibly some follow-ups. I will write my response as if it was an actual interviewer, and you are an interviewer. The question prompt at the beginning and possibly some follow-up questions that you will ask actually once. I will write my response. Actual interview. If some part of it is not an interview, sorry, if some part of I will also ask questions as if it were an interview. Do not provide answers. Thus, do not provide answers directly. Do not give actual full code when answering my questions, and do not, and what else? Only provide hints if needed. If my question asks for info that's not in your prompt, interpret question away is reasonable for an interview. A one-to-one interview. And provide reasonable response. Simply stir this question and follow ups. Don't do anything just yet. I will provide some code. I have written then I'm gonna set it to this. Multi-cache. So start us for now. Here's some code I've written so far. Okay, so this is some code that I've written so far. It's gonna be my interface. My question is, I have two questions. One, when you say for keys not present in the cache, use both caches. Do you mean that I should store the key value pair in both? Even and two, since the server fetch is async, should I block the function or do something like return data? I get the request. God, this guy's an idiot. Don't provide hints. Don't provide hints until this to only answer my question. Do not do anything else. Not here. Great. So, you're right that the destructor should probably do layer check the original destructor. I think this should actually be the default. This should be a const. Okay, now I have 2 questions. How would I return a handle? Okay, here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe should I do std optional? I'm thinking whether I should use optional, make something like a wrapper class. How would I use? How would I block? Okay. Something is prepare to practice later. What if I how would I do that in C++? Check a virtual destructor should be default. Okay. These are block. What do you mean by so this is I'm actually going to put the so what I would actually do too is I'm just gonna put all of this stuff below the main function. Get rid of the main function. So some questions I have. Okay, so my question would probably be, I guess, how would I handle can I handle callback? Provides the key value. So what I'm thinking now, if I need to introduce return a key, we will have return the key value of hair. This will return the key. So this will be called kind of defeats the. So what I was planning to do, I could for the query. Actually, I'll think about put first. Can just simply call put on both caches. That'll be it. For the query, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. If check, I can check the first cache. Actually, I'll just call this. This is going to, okay, so first of all, first I will implement the multi-cache below with instantiating the two caches. So I'm actually going to do this. So public, this is our server function, so multi-cache. I'm going to cache interface, cache one, a cache needs to have a capacity. First cache. Provide interface KV. It's going to be a cache one. sort of references these caches. Now, I think this multi-cache actually, should this actually implement inherit from cache? It should be a cache. It should actually be a cache too. I'm just gonna also make this private. Give cache. I can call query both cache. Otherwise, I need to return a handle. So, I need to make what is this? Is this the approach I should follow? Oh, sorry. So you're saying I should get the yeah. So I'm gonna say that's a yes. Now, oh my god, I'm actually so tired, bro. I'm actually thinking of just sleeping early right now. It's like 8 p.m. I get up at like 9. Because the issue is I also need to, the issue is that I'll also need to keep track of these so that I can update the caches when the server returns it. Oh, I'm so tired. I think I might just go to sleep right now. I get up early to do it. I need to fix my sleep. Oh, shit. haven't even finished one question yet, which is really bothering me. This multi-cash question is actually harder than I thought. I'm not in the best. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Actually, try to be in bed by 9:15 then, so I can get 2 hours of sleep. I am going to try to get up at about 7:15. Hopefully that's worth it.